And what if I told you that 10 years ago, you only needed €100 to become a millionaire? Welcome to the story of the most high-performing asset ever, Bitcoin. From the darkness of 2009 to the peaks of Wall Street, here's how a digital experiment has rewritten the rules of money. Everything starts in 2009. Value? $0. In 2010, a programmer pays 10,000 Bitcoin for 2 pizzas. Today, those pizzas would be worth over $700 million. It's the first signal. Bitcoin is not just code, it's real value. In 2013, the banking crisis in Cyprus pushes people towards safe alternatives. Bitcoin breaks the $100 mark for the first time, and then the 1,000. In 2017, the explosion of ICOs and retail enthusiasm. Bitcoin soars to nearly $20,000. The whole world is starting to pay attention. The year 2020 arrives. With the pandemic, governments are printing trillions of dollars. Bitcoin becomes the lifeline against inflation, the digital gold. Large companies are starting to buy it. In 2021, it reaches $69,000. Then, in 2024, the approval of BlackRock's ETFs brings Bitcoin to global exchanges, pushing it over $80,000. Let's do some calculations. If I'd invested just $1,000 10 years ago, today you would have over $170,000 in your hands. If I had been among the pioneers of 2009 with only $20, today you would be a multimillionaire with about $1,400,000. It's not luck. It's having understood the future before others. What awaits us? The experts are clear. By 2025, many analysts see a target between $150,000 and $250,000. Thanks to the post-halving scarcity and institutional adoption. By 2030, the boldest forecasts suggest that Bitcoin could reach $1 million, becoming the ultimate store of value on the planet. The story has been written, but the future is still open. Are you ready to be part of it, or will you watch others earn for the next 10 years? Subscribe to not miss the upcoming market signals.